Hi David, thanks very much for the question on your Indesit tumble dryer. You say you've got an I1D80WUK vented tumble dryer. Now this is one of the more modern ones, but it's exactly the same principle. Now what you're actually needing is, you're saying here that you want me to be able to identify which shaft kit you need. Now there are a couple of variations of the shaft kit, but what I'm going to tell you to look at first is not only the phosphorus bronze bearing that's on the back. If this is left too long when it starts wearing, the drum shaft will cut through the bearing and cut into the casing on the cabinet. Don't worry, this is repairable, but you'll need to get the actual correct kit for your machine. Now I couldn't identify it via the model number, and this may be because Indesit has not attached the model data to that part, but I have put the part on the page for you to have a look at. Have a look at the dimensions and the sizes. Other things that you'll need to replace is when these back bearings go and the shaft goes as well, you normally have damage to the front pads on the machine. These pads, and I've got one over here off a different dryer. If I flip that over, you've got normally 4 pads on the bottom of the machine. These can wear, and if they do wear, you want to replace them early because you don't want it damaging the vent tube at the front. It is also worth replacing the 2 seals, the one on the back and the one on the front, as if these seals aren't good, this allows fluff to get inside the machine, which can cause excess wear and tear over a period of time. Now I've done many videos on these tumble dryers showing you how to change the components like the bearing, the shaft kit, the front pads and also the seals. But it's well worth getting an old paintbrush and a good vacuum cleaner and making sure you clean all the machine internally, because this will not only prolong the life of the machine, you will end up using less energy in drying the clothes because it dries more efficiently. Also take note to make sure you clean down in this ducting system and make sure all the way through the pipework to the back of the machine. And if you are using a vent pipe, make sure you take that off and give it a good clean as well. The less fluff buildup you've got in these machines, the better and the more efficient they are. Now I've put all these videos and exploded diagrams of your machine on a web page, and the link to that is in the description below. You've got all the information there to actually rebuild the machine and service it as well. And there's a link at the top of the page that will take you through to any spare parts that you require. And the V4 kit I think you're on about, I've also put the part number on that page so you can have a look at it. I hope all this information helps you repair the machine. Good luck with your repair. If you need any further help, feel free to contact us using the contact us page on the website. Thanks very much indeed for contacting us.